whatever you do, because you know you're stagnant, because you know things are not working well for you, you have to know that you have to learn to give. I learned this not quite long. The thing is, nobody can stand alone in this world, so you have to learn to understand that if you don't give, people will not give to you. They'll see you as a stingy person. They want to punish you for the actions you have taken. You cannot, if someone has issues with you, probably, and whatever the person did is extremely wrong. Probably the person abused you, insulted you, did something wrong to you, and she's wrong. For safety to ring, at times you have to apologize. At times you have to ensure that you have to bow down your head. The reason why you're doing this is not because you're stupid, not because you're gullible, but because in the near future you still need that person. It's called bro code. It's just sensible. So you're not doing it because you're stupid. You're doing it because in the future you still need that person. Especially if you know that person is someone that is always around you, or someone that is in your environment. That person is a very prominent person. You cannot just afford to offend that person. Especially if you know that your status in that environment is extremely low. Like, if you look at yourself, probably you're just an average person, and that person is richer than you in all aspects. Even if the person offends you, you cannot be proud. Pride and poverty doesn't work together. Pride, if you are pride and you are prideful and you're also poor, you're very stupid, because most people know want to help you. They see you as an arrogant idiot. So you have to be, if you know you don't have much, you have to be extremely humble. Pride and poverty, P and P, they don't work together. Unless you want to ruin your life and you want to chase away your helpers. You have to ensure that you have to be extremely resilient, and you know how to use people. People will also use you. That's how life is. You have to. You don't just jump and make decisions. You don't just say, okay, because you've been offended, you just cut off all ties. Consider the consequences of your actions. Consider the fact that can the person still be useful to you. How do you understand? So you have to apologize, not just because the person is better than you, but because you also know that you still want to reach the stage that person is. When you're not in that person's level or above that person's level, then you can now. You can clear the guy fucks up, you can clear him, but till that time you have to be patient and calm. You have to learn to understand that you cannot stand alone in this world. You have to learn to give. Giving is very important. Before you can receive, you have to give. If you give someone, that person will feel like, okay, it's my own turn to get on. Unless if it's a girl that's a good girl, that's obviously, or unless if it's a guy that always thinks about himself, that will just lead to a no. How can I my point? One love.